Our human population faced a catastrophic plague. When no cure could be found on Earth, we turned to space. I was issued a ship with an experimental warp drive engine capable of rivaling light speed. With the life support system available, I'll always be monitored by the system to ensure my survival. It also comes with a cargo bay, supplying me with enough to get me by until I returned. It was a long journey, and nothing was coming up. I was losing hope. Approximately 256 days since I left my home, I found a small glimmer of hope. I called it the Dragon's Head. Using the tools and technology accompanying me, I used our prototype hover drones to scout out the area. These drones come with the highest class wireless telecommunications. Along with that, they're able to stay afloat using hover jets, and with their unobtainium claws, they can probe and collect samples from almost any material, even if it's stronger than 10 inches of steel. The planet's environment was for the most part fairly safe for the human body. Though the air is hazardous if taken in for too long, it isn't something nanofilters can handle. As seen from the outside, the largest features are these masses of land sticking out. I had the drone scout out the rest of the area. These things are bacterial boils festering on the top side of the planet. Encased in a nearly impenetrable shell, it remains, growing in size. A small little creature began spawning from the ground near it, and after making its way out, it began moving to a nearby plant species. Attaching to it, it slowly encased it in a hard material with a black bulge forming out, and in an instant, it shot out straight at the bacterial boil. With such force, it pierces it easily. It begins injecting a substance of antibodies, eating away at it from the inside. After hitting its mark, it begins corroding away, reabsorbing itself back into the planet. A unique feature about this planet is that it does not rotate, and so the other drone explored this darker side of the planet. To make up for the lack of light, the ambient luz, a type of plant, emits a glow from its vines, illuminating entire paths. Now they surrounded a small body of liquid ponds. I had a drone dive in. Now the ponds were all connected together. If you entered one, you could pop out of another somewhere else. Finally, the last drone scouted out the land masses to see what was inside. It was amazing. This planet was a living creature. A sample was taken. It contained a cure. Super embryonic stem cells similar to our own. With some DNA modification, we could use these to cure all our ailments and secure a better future for our loved ones.